Where my biggest Young Dog fan there right quick?
Hey, what you wanna do? What you wanna do?
Hey, you gotta come up here, grab her. This shit say Memphis versus y'all. No cap.
We bring
I need
him on
somebody else
stage
come
right
up
now.
for them. Who got it? You shot her? Is you shot her? You a little bit. Who not shot? You ready? You know this dog shit? Well, you ain't ready. Come on, climb up. I got you. Come on. I bring him around the back.
You gotta know this shit word for word.
I say dog, long live, long live, long live. Turn that shit up, man.
Hold up.
And we need to hear everybody rapping this shit,
Get
right?
that shit on my sheets, bro.
Hey.
Mobbing in the Bentley smoking.
What?
Hey, pocket full of motherfucking.
What?
Half an ounce in my Gucci tube. Socks. For the summertime, got a new drop. Trapper slash, rapper slash. Come here. Baby mama mad. She said you live like a bitch. Sold 100 pounds and gave 10% to them. Keep going up the ladder. Hey, they mad, make them. Hey, tell myself when I'm gone, you gon' be a rich little bastard. Corners on me hitting, leave a bitch. All my old bitches feeling salty. Yeah. In my DM, talk about why you dog me.
Yeah.
But I still miss you, can you call me?
Yeah.
I heard that shit changed, that you still ballin'.
Yeah.
She used to bust them streets for me at Walgreens. Snuggling in the cottage with my car.
Hey, let me hear y'all.
Phones on the Mercedes.
Whole gang going crazy.
Millions on the table.
We turn dirt into diamonds.
You searching for fame.
I became a superstar. Found out you a hater, I can't look at you the same. She said, can you take a picture with my chain?
Got two twin sisters, call them. I wish I wouldn't have fucked that bitch, she insane.
Alexander McQueen on me ain't got a stunt. Try to the plug, my life ain't never been the same. Falls on the Mercedes. Whole gang going crazy. Meetings on the table, that's major. Yeah, we turn dirt into diamonds, that's major. Falls on the Mercedes. Whole gang.
Two Blunt TV. Roll up 2 blunts and go watch TV, nigga.